number 8. So it looks like we have a quadratic equation here. When you have a quadratic on the SAT, we want to take a peek of two things. So what I have written at the top above this is GCF. If possible, we always want to try to take out a greatest common factor of a quadratic if possible. That will help our longhand math be easier, especially on a no-calc section. So greatest common factor is going to be a 3. That's going to yield us 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. Perfect. Now, you're going to note here that I have the old quadratic formula written out here. The reason I have that written out is because look at our answer choices. Our answer choices are all written out in sort of quadratic form, which tells us that we shouldn't waste our time trying to factor this. We should just put it into quadratic formula. So now that we have this simplified version, a is 2, b is 4, c is 1, we can put this into quadratic formula. So negative b, so that's negative 4, plus or minus square root of b squared, so that's 4 squared, that's 16, minus 4 times 2 times 1, that's 4ac, all over 2a, so that's all over 4. Alright, I'm going to split this up and simplify. So this is negative 4 over 4 plus or minus. I split it up because if you look at it, our answer choices are all split up, so I did the same. Then negative 16, that's going to be minus 8, so that's the square root of 8 over 4. We got to simplify the square root of 8. So square root of 8, it's like the square root of 4 times the square root of 2, which is like the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. Alright, we have a group of 2 roots of 2, which is just going to come out as a 2. So negative 4 over 4 plus or minus 2 root 2 over 4. And look at this, we just have one last step of simplification. Negative 4 divided by 4, that's negative 1. Plus or minus, well, 2 divided by 4, that'll be a 1/2. So that's 1 over 2. So ends up being root 2 over 2. C is our answer.